When it comes to buying a car, we all want to feel like we're making a smart investment. But what if I told you some cars on the market are financial disasters in disguise? These cars may look great on paper, but they quickly turn into regrets on wheels. In this video, we're diving deep into the 17 worst cars that no one buys, according to Consumer Reports. Trust me, some of these cars might shock you. From engines that fail prematurely to repair bills that could rival the price of a new car, these vehicles are riddled with problems. And here's the kicker. The last car on this list is so unreliable, it's almost guaranteed to cost you thousands in repairs before it even hits 50,000 miles. Stick around until the end, because this isn't just a list, it's a buyer's guide to what not to buy. 17. Chevrolet Blazer. Starting at $44,000. The Chevrolet Blazer looks like a great option on the surface, with its bold design and modern tech features. However, it falls short in key areas like reliability and performance. Many owners have reported engine stalling and serious electrical issues, especially in the 2020 to 2021 models. Fuel efficiency is a major drawback, with only 20 miles per gallon, which is disappointing for a mid-size SUV. Now, let's talk about depreciation. The Blazer loses value quickly. In fact, within just a few years, this car can drop significantly in resale value, leaving you with an investment that's not only costly up front, but also bad in the long run. To make matters worse, the Blazer also comes with expensive repairs, subpar crash test results, and high insurance premiums. Despite its tech-savvy features, if you're looking for a reliable SUV, this one's a hard pass. 16. Lincoln Aviator. The Lincoln Aviator starts at $53,000, but what you get for that price is not nearly as luxurious as you might expect. At the higher end, the Black Label model can run up to $88,000, so you're paying a lot for what is supposed to be a premium vehicle. However, the Aviator falls short in reliability. Many models from 2020 through 2024 have had recalls for serious electrical issues, including problems with airbags and other vital components. Fuel efficiency is another letdown, with the Aviator barely managing 18 miles per gallon, which is very low for a luxury SUV. For that kind of money, you'd expect something more efficient. Plus, the performance doesn't quite stack up to its competitors like the BMW X5 or Audi Q7. If you're shopping for a luxury SUV, you'll likely be better off looking elsewhere. 15. Volvo XC60. The Volvo XC60 is a compact luxury SUV priced at $53,000, offering a stylish design and premium interior. However, behind its luxury appeal, the XC60 has troubling reliability issues. The 2024 model alone has faced 3 major recalls. Owners have reported frequent transmission problems and engine stalling, which can be both dangerous and costly to repair. To add to the list of concerns, the XC60 suffers from a malfunctioning infotainment system and faulty driver assist features that you'd expect to work seamlessly in a premium vehicle. While its safety ratings are solid, these ongoing issues significantly diminish its long-term value. 14. Rivian R1T. Rivian's R1T, an electric truck priced at $71,700, grabs attention with its futuristic design and impressive off-road capabilities. But unfortunately, it suffers from several issues that make it less reliable than you'd hope. Owners report software glitches and suspension problems, and delays in repairs have left some frustrated. Although the R1T boasts a 314-mile range, its charging capabilities are hampered by Rivian's limited network of charging stations. While it may be an exciting truck, the R1T is still working out the kinks, making it a risky investment if you need a vehicle you can rely on. 13. Polestar 2. At $49,900, the Polestar 2 is an electric vehicle that's stylish and modern, combining sedan and hatchback elements. While it offers an attractive design, it has significant issues with reliability. The Google-powered infotainment system, which is supposed to be seamless, frequently glitches, frustrating owners. The Polestar 2 has also faced recalls, particularly in 2021 and 2022, due to battery problems that could potentially shut down the high-voltage system. If you're looking for a reliable electric car that can deliver long-term performance, the Polestar 2 doesn't quite measure up. 12. Ford Bronco. The Ford Bronco, starting at $39,630, is known for its rugged charm and retro design, but it's plagued by serious reliability concerns. Recalls have affected multiple models from 2021 through 2023, with issues ranging from cracked fuel injectors to faulty transmissions. There are also complaints about noisy engines, poor interior materials, and a general lack of comfort on the road. If you're looking for a versatile and reliable SUV, you might want to keep looking. 11. Buick Encore. Priced at $26,000, the Buick Encore is often praised for its comfort and compact size. However, it's held back by a weak 1.4-liter engine that struggles with acceleration. Many owners report issues with the transmission and air conditioning, which can lead to expensive repairs. The Encore's fuel efficiency is decent at 25 mpg, but that doesn't compensate for its other shortcomings. More troubling are the recalls for powertrain issues and concerns over the safety of its airbags and seatbelts. While the Encore may seem like an affordable option, the lack of long-term reliability makes it a risky choice. 10. Dodge Durango. The Dodge Durango, starting at $40,000, offers excellent towing capacity and a comfortable ride, but it comes with a lot of hidden costs. With fuel economy as low as 15 miles per gallon, this SUV isn't great for daily driving. Plus, transmission failures, engine issues, and safety concerns like lack of active safety features make it a less than ideal choice for families or long-term ownership. If you're considering this vehicle, be aware of its flaws. 9. Jeep Wrangler. Jeep Wranglers are known for their off-road capabilities, but they're plagued with reliability issues that can turn any adventure into a headache. Starting at $33,000, the Wrangler suffers from electrical problems, poor steering response, and transmission failures. It's also known for its rust problems, which can lead to costly repairs. Fuel efficiency is subpar, averaging just 19 miles per gallon, and owners often find themselves dealing with recalls for issues like faulty fuel lines and defective airbags. If you're not regularly off-roading, the Wrangler might not be worth the trouble. 8. Jaguar F-Pace. $58,375.00. The Jaguar F-Pace is a luxury SUV with performance to match its price. However, many owners have reported issues with the infotainment system, oil consumption, and failing fuel pumps. The F-Pace has also had multiple recalls, including one for faulty brake systems that pose serious safety risks. 7. Nissan Frontier. The Nissan Frontier, starting at $29,000, is a mid-sized truck with an outdated design. While it has received some updates, models from 2005-2018 faced major issues with transmission and engine failures. Paint chipping and faulty fuel systems were also common problems. 6. Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid. The Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid starts at $44,145.00 and offers a family-friendly ride with a focus on fuel efficiency. However, the 2021 and 2023 models have had issues with their EV batteries, electronics, and charging systems. Some owners reported frozen screens, malfunctioning battery warmers, and major safety recalls for defects in the transmission wiring connector. 5. Volkswagen Jetta. The Volkswagen Jetta, starting at $21,995, may look like a great deal, but it comes with a host of reliability issues. Transmission failures, engine stalling, and electrical problems are widespread. If you're looking for a dependable sedan, there are better choices out there. 4. Land Rover Range Rover Sport. The Land Rover Range Rover Sport starts at $83,600, offering luxury, comfort, and off-road capabilities. However, high maintenance costs and complex systems have made it unreliable for many owners. Engine and transmission issues along with electrical problems plague older models. Regular service is crucial, but even then repairs can be costly. 3. Fiat 500L. The Fiat 500L starts at $24,000 and may seem like a quirky, affordable option, but it's riddled with problems. Transmission failures and engine stalling are common, and frequent recalls for issues like airbags and fuel leaks make it even harder to recommend. It's also cramped inside, with a bumpy ride and poor fuel efficiency at just 25 mpg. 2. The GMC Sierra 1500, priced between $38,945 and $86,690, has serious reliability issues. Transmission failures and engine problems have been reported, and the truck also faces high repair costs due to recalls and faulty brake systems. Fuel efficiency is a weak point, averaging just 17 mpg, and its poor resale value makes it a tough choice for anyone seeking a reliable full-size truck. 1. Mitsubishi Mirage. The Mitsubishi Mirage, one of the cheapest cars on the market, is a budget vehicle that quickly becomes costly in the long run. The 3-cylinder engine is weak, acceleration is sluggish, and the ride quality is poor. Numerous recalls, including issues with airbags and brakes, add to the Mirage's flaws. Maintenance costs are also high for such an inexpensive car, making it a financial disaster for many owners. These are the worst cars that no one buys, according to Consumer Reports. While these vehicles may seem like good deals, they come with hidden costs and major issues that can haunt you down the road. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos like this, and don't forget to click the link below to see the cars that are almost perfect, according to Consumer Reports.